Hey guys, welcome to another brand new video. I am Aditya, and in this video we'll be learning about conditional statements only, but we'll be covering loops part of the conditional statements. So now, before going on to coding about how these things work, let us understand what exactly is a loop. So let's have a small example to understand this more clearly. So suppose you have a lot of friends, I have almost 30 to 60 friends. Now what if I wanna use the names of my friends and add some kind of funny ending, or do some kind of operation with their names, or just simply print their names onto the console? So that time I would rather write print statements the number of times the number of names I have. Rather I would use loops to make my life much easier printing the names. So now it might be totally confusing to you right now. So let's see how we do that. So I'll just declare a variable before itself. So I'll just declare a variable called count equals some 100. So I have some 100 friends. And now let's use a loop. So mainly there are 3 loops in Dart, and these are mostly same in most of the programming languages. Like we have for loop, for each or for in loop, and then we have while loop. And you even have do while also. We'll be covering all of them, but for this video, as we are still beginning the Dart programming language, we'll be just using for loop. So in the snippet, as you can see, we have a simple for loop format. So here, first thing which we see over here is a variable called I. So it's a temporary variable. After the loop is done executing, this variable will no longer be there in the scope. I mean, it would be dead. There won't be any variable called I. If you want to use outside this loop, again you must declare it as I. So you just can't use again reassign. It will give an error saying that this variable is not declared, because it's only being used in the for loop. And coming to the second part is nothing but a condition. So conditional statements. So for loops also depend on a condition. So here this is depending on a condition that I is less than or equal to count. So first the variable is declared, initialized, it is checked for a condition, and after checking, if the condition is true, it will do whatever is there inside this block. So I'll just write I. So it will do whatever is there in this block. So it will print the value of I. And after doing all the things inside the block, then it will come and increment the value of I. So after incrementing, it will become 1. Again it will come here, check the value, check the condition. Again it will print, check and increment. So it will continuously go on like this. After some time, when the condition comes to a false, where it would be 100 is less than count, means 100 is less than 100, which is not true, that time it will not execute this block. So to check it out ourselves, let's open this and let me just clear this, and here we'll run the command .main.dart, and here as you can see, it has printed numbers from 0 to 100. If you see over here, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 until 999. Actually the reason is that when it comes to 100, it is saying that I is less than count, means 100 is less than 100, which is not true. So we can just keep less than equal to. That time if we run the program again, so it should print as still 100. So as you can see, the last number we got was 100, and you can even change this to 1 to actually print it from exactly 1. So that's how we can use loops. There are actually a lot of cases how we use loops. You can iterate over loops and iterating is the same term. Iterating means continuously going through a particular item. So like just like my friends' names, I have a database full of my friends' names. I want to iterate through my friends' names. So I want to just go to one friend's name, again do some operation there, again go to the next friend's name. So that is called as iterating or looping through each item. So it might be totally confusing. I suggest that you watch this video once more so that you get more clear understanding of what exactly is loops. If you're coming from another programming language like C#, C++, Java, the concept is very same. You can just go to our next video where we'll be covering about more advanced topics. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.